Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Veronica, and this is Eclectica.
Today we are going to be evaluating two mutations of the venerable Oreo. One being caramel coconut, the other Toffee Crunch. Yeah.
Finally something I will like! Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Would you hold the Toffee Crunch?
Certainly will.
Actually, I should have had you hold the coconut because I know you really like coconut.
I do, actually.
Yeah, so why don't you hold the coconut and I'll hold the toffee thing, flavored cream.
Toffee.
So the vital statistics are different between the two.
I can smell this.
It smells like plastic. To me.
Well, fine.
So here you go. A serving is 2 cookies, 140 calories. What do you got there?
150.
150. Okay.
Coconut.
6 grams of total fat.
7.
2.5 of saturated.
Bingo.
0 trans.
Bingo.
0 cholesterol.
Bingo.
90 milligrams of sodium.
Ooh, bingo.
Total carbohydrates 21.
This is 20.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Dietary fiber 0.
Bing.
Total sugar 0, including 13 grams of added sugar.
Yes.
Less than 1 gram of protein.
Yeah.
And there's no really
Nothing
for vitamins. Oh, but it does come down to the aroma and the flavor.
Well, this aroma is cutting through the bag.
Okay. Well, let's partake.
Golly, dee.
All right.
What's wrong with you? You want a cookie?
There's one.
Oh, wow, that smell is so strong.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells almost like coffee.
Oh, it does kind of have a
coconut.
mocha.
Is there a mocha in there?
This is a caramel flavored, caramel coconut flavored cream.
No.
But no mocha.
No mocha?
Yeah, no mocha mentioned anywhere.
It smells like
But
coffee.
take a look at this. It kind of has almost a mocha look. But, you know, I mean, this is going to be difficult for me because normally I would twist the top off and scrape the insides out, but I'll eat it like a normal. Hey. That works.
I feel some type of way about it.
The coconut really, it's there.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but it's different. There's something else there. Caramel. Okay, because I was like, there's something else
caramel coconut.
Okay.
Okay. You're not going to eat the rest of that?
I am not.
Okay.
My teeth.
Toffee flavored cream is coming up next.
What? Why it smells almost like that one?
It smells the same.
It does. What in the? Hey. Thank you.
Now take a look.
The color is the.
The color is the same.
Does that have caramel too, or just Well, toffee is that.
Toffee Crunch. Well, let's see though. Let's see how we go.
The flavor is different.
It is. It's pretty good.
I like that one better than the coconut.
I like the coconut better. But
Look at
not a
this.
whole lot better.
Not a whole lot. I like this flavor.
You gonna eat the rest of that?
One of them is see the different colors.
They're the same color.
Yeah, they're the same color.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Culinary Scale of Excellence.
That one, not that one. That has a lot of flavor.
That's the Toffee Crunch.
Wrong pipe.
So, there you go. Culinary Scale of Excellence. And where are you placing the toffee then?
5.
And where are you placing the caramel coconut?
4.
Well, I'm placing it 5 and 4. So
Oh, wow. It's reversed.
it's reversed. Well, what that tells us, I think, is that we both like these pretty well. They're definitely worth checking out if you want something that's not your average everyday.
I don't know what's going on.
Of course, it may choke you to death, but
Toffee.
they're
Be
worth
careful.
it. They're worth it. I guess that is all for now.
I like the toffee.
Yeah, I like the coconut.
Yeah, I'm good now. Woo!
Okay.
Toffee was strong going down.
Yeah. Oh, I guess that's all for now. We will
All right.
see you next time.
Bye. You want to try toffee? You should taste some toffee.
I'm going to cleanse my palate with some of those.
Hey.
Shoot our next one.
Oh. I was enjoying the cookie.